It's morning, everyone! Today's the day! The sun is shining, the tank is clean, and we are getting out of... The tank is clean. The tank is clean!
Sup, it's Sydney, and today's my last day of work. Is it my last day of work ever? No. I do plan on entering the intense corporate culture immediately following graduation, and probably will do that for the rest of my life until I retire. However, it is my last day of work as a co-op at this company that I'm not going to tell you because I do kind of want them to hire me. I have been co-oping for the past 6 months. I started in January and I'm done. Well, like after today I'm done. But I feel like I'm done. I've really done like all of the main elements of a co-op, which for those of you unfamiliar, it's basically like an internship except longer. But you know, I did my final presentation, I thought it went well. I had my final review with my boss yesterday. I also thought that went pretty well. And now I just have to log on, typey, and then be done. 2 quick things I want to say as I'm logging on. First thing, we do summer hours at this company, which is basically like we work an extra hour from Monday to Thursday if you're hourly. So instead of working 9 to 5, you work like 8 to 5, which is what I've been doing, so that on Friday you can get a half day and get off early, and then someone just covers for the team. Don't get sassy with me on my last day. And so that is why I won't actually be working that much today. So if it seems like I'm lazy, it's a corporate policy, so let me have it. Also, I am training the new co-op, so I'm not gonna show a lot of what I do at work, first of all, because I don't want to have the company be mad at me, because again, hi, let's make a deal after graduation potentially, but also because I'm training the new co-op and I feel like it would be weird if I was just like,
hey, you wanna be on my vlog?
Pressing enter after typing in my username and password for the last time. First thing I do every morning is obviously check my email, because if there's one thing that every company loves, it's sending you emails. It is 8:43 a.m. and I promised my little homie, I guess I shouldn't call him that. He's literally my coworker who I'm training, who is also older than me. I promised him I'd be ready to go at 8:45 for training, and I'm not really ready to go, but I should probably stop talking to myself on camera. The most degrading thing I think I've ever experienced is looking at myself in a headset.
Censored emails. Cute puppy, training the new co-op. Oh god.
I currently have a free 2 minutes, very exciting. So I'm going to grab a little like protein ball that my mom made, and that is going to be breakfast. Breakfast of champions, baby. Perfect timing. Yay. Right now it's 11:33 and I basically just told the person I'm training that we are going to take a little 15-minute break, because it's kind of a lot for me to just talk for hours on end. I guess that's what I do on YouTube all the time, but it's hard when you actually have to like teach someone something. But I feel like everything's going well. I'm just gonna check my email because corporate things, and then I'm gonna eat a little bit more because the one protein ball I had isn't exactly cutting it for like the 4 hours I've been working. We're on the bad order spreadsheet. Dang it. Normally the customer that I oversee, because basically like my role is to do ordering for this company's customer. It's really confusing. Normally my customer is not on it, and today we're on it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 times. So fuck. The sad spreadsheet's gonna have to wait because I am hungry. Also, I forgot to complain to you guys about my coworker. Literally, she's so annoying. She doesn't do anything. Like, can you contribute to the team? You're just gonna sleep through the whole day? That's gonna be me for the remainder of the summer. Just not doing anything.
Can I ask you something? Who saved you when you were at your lowest?
Sorry, I'm back. I just got off of my last meeting. What am I supposed to do with my life now? I've been working over 40 hours a week for the past, like, what's 6 times 4? Like 24 weeks. Oh my god. Ah, this is so weird. The last thing that I want to do at work, ever, is I want to write an email just to the team and be like, hey guys, bye. Ooh. This is what I said. It's probably really cheesy and bad, but I'm gonna say it anyways because what are they gonna do? Judge me? It's my last day, I don't care. I said hello and goodbye because I'm dramatic. I know I've already thanked many of you and said my well wishes, but I'm feeling extra sentimental, so I decided to put it in writing. Thank you so much for being such a supportive and welcoming team. This was my first real co-op experience, and I feel that it was a positive one because of all of you. I hope you all have a fantastic rest of your summer, and I know that I will spend the rest of mine wondering what team is up to. And making videos since the secret is out. Best of luck to everyone. Sydney. Kind of a little bit of funny tea on that. So yesterday we actually had a happy hour at which I drank water because I'm 20! And it was just a virtual thing, so we all just got on a Microsoft Teams meeting and we're like, hey-o, happy hour. It was kind of perfect timing for happy hour because we actually have 2 people on our team who are going to different roles, so that was like their send-off, and then me and my coworker Josiah, hi Josiah, are co-ops, and we both finished our term today, so it was like kind of a send-off to everyone, and it was really cute. Everyone was kind of joking around and just, you know, sharing little anecdotes, whatever, and then someone brought up that in Josiah's presentation, his final presentation a couple days ago, he actually mentioned that he was writing a book, and everyone was like, yo, what the hell? You didn't even tell us you were writing a book. Like, that's so dope. What's it about? So he was sharing about his book and how, you know, for the next couple months of the summer, he's gonna spend some extra time working on it. But anyway, everyone's like joking around being like, whoa, that's so awesome. Sydney, what's your big secret? Like, we didn't know Josiah was writing a book. What are you gonna do with the rest of your summer? And I was like, well, and I was basically just like, all right, it's my last day. It can't affect me anymore. No one's gonna like put on my videos during work or like pester me about it. So I was like, I'm actually a YouTuber, and so I will be doing that. I thought it was funny, and then one of my coworkers, her name's Mandy, she I guess was like searching on her phone my name to find my channel, and she found it, and she just unmutes like in the middle of everyone being like, oh my god, and she goes, what? You have like millions of views, and I was like, yep. I just thought the timing of it was like so perfect that it was honestly comedic, because I was like, okay, I've purposely not told anyone on this team because I don't want to embarrass myself in a professional environment, because I already do that enough online. And then it was this happy hour at like 5 p.m. after work, and I was kind of, you know, checking the time. All right, I'm gonna be done in less than 24 hours, so I feel like I can expose myself. Pretty funny story, but hold on, my coworker's calling me. The one that's writing a book. And I never have mine plugged in. Ah! Did I get it plugged in time? No. Everything's like unexpectedly sad. Like, I know I'll keep in touch with Josiah, but that's still sad. Goodbye, I'll miss you. I do kind of want to log off though and get on with my life because it's past the time that I need. I was sending this email, and I feel like I don't want to get any responses to this email because it's kind of embarrassing and really like gushy. That will be the last thing that I do. So I'm going to clock my hours right now, and then I'm gonna hit send and just can't catch me, you know? I solemnly swear that I did not commit time theft, even though it might seem like it while I was vlogging. I either gave a 5-minute break to the poor person that I was training and vlogged during that because he very much so needed it because I'm super annoying, or I did it on my lunch break, which is what I'm on right now, technically. Thank you. Okay, this is it. Big moment. Send. Make sure it goes through. It went through. Close out. Ah! That's it. Ah!
After work, obviously, I went to an amusement park because how else would I celebrate temporarily breaking the chains of corporate life? It was also kind of a mess because I had never been to Cedar Point and was not prepared to see a 20-something-year-old boy hold leashes to two 20-something-year-old girls with dog collar necklaces, nor was I ready to witness a girl faint in line due to intense heat and watch her friends pour an entire water bottle on her and panic instead of alerting the medics.
It's hot as hell.
And I also didn't expect to have the luck of a black cat crossing the street when I waited 1.5 hours in line for a ride only to get to the very front and have it shut down due to wind.
Hey.
Well, anything beats a 9 to 5.
Twilight,